check the attendance. Then next we have meeting 10.
Mm-mm.
So meeting 9. Okay. Okay, so is there any Bu Wahyu? Yes, ya.
Yes.
Then next we have Pak Muhammad Zardan. Is there any?
Yes,
Pak
Miss.
Zardan. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you. And then next one we have Bu Nadila.
Bu Nadila izin mustami atau mendengarkan karena sedang tidak enak badan.
Oh, oke, get well soon, Ibu. Speedy recovery. Ya Allah. Nggak berarti tetap ada ya. And then Pak Nurali Hasan. Okay. And then next one we have Bu Lita.
Pak Ali
Yes.
tegang karena disuruh speaking.
Saya diare loh, Miss. Kemarin
Diare.
greges.
Ketika
Iya.
ketika ada latihan speaking mereka semua langsung mendadak sakit.
Oh, begitu triknya ya ternyata ya.
Kemarin salah makan itu loh, habis acara kepedesan. Langsung demam ternyata mau diare.
Allah, semoga cepat sembuh ya. Soalnya biasanya memang kalau untuk SDA, SFI ya Bapak Ibu ya, integrated juga kita ada nanti projectnya. Per berapa meeting nanti akan ada final projectnya seperti itu ya. Jadi kalau hari ini untuk meeting integrated maka final projectnya sekarang. Maka Bapak Ibu akan doing the presentations related to the apa kemarin Bapak Ibu instructional ya.
Yes,
Nah jadi
instructional paragraph.
iya jadi gitu langsung
You
ke
can look,
output.
you can look Mr. Nurali Hasan. It's speaking
Look
Korea
stress.
dingin.
Oh, jangan dong, kita santai saja kan ya Bapak Ibu ya, that's okay actually. Oke, nah Bully.
Menghafalkan bisa, Miss. Kemarin rencana kan mau panjang. Kok nggak hafal-hafal? Jadi saya cari yang pendek.
Ya sebisanya saja ya berarti ya Bapak Ibu ya, disesuaikan. Oke, and then next Bulita tadi ada ya Bulita ya?
Ada.
Oke, and then the next one we have Bu Dewi juga, and then Bu Ama. Yes, Bu
I'm
Ama.
here, Miss.
Oke Bu, and thank you. And then next one we have Pak Faisal Nur Rahman. Apakah ada Pak Faisal? Are you still with us? Atau
Masih
ternyata
ngajar kayaknya.
Oke, iya. And then the next one we have Pak Agung. Apakah sudah ada? Yes. Oke.
Ada present.
Okay. All right, thank you, Bapak Ibu. So we're done with checking the attendance, and then now we're moving to our sessions today. Which is Bapak Ibu, you're going to do the presentations ya related to the instructional paragraph. Yang kemarin sudah saya sampaikan bahwa on your PPT there only just a picture atau mungkin dengan beberapa notes ya, tidak dengan two or more sentences. Tidak seperti itu ya Bapak Ibu ya. Kemudian untuk linknya sebetulnya kemarin sudah saya share to our group ya Bapak Ibu. So after doing the presentations, Bapak Ibu can upload your Word atau PPT ya kalau misalnya belum di-upload kemarin Bapak Ibu. So yes, we just can move to the sessions today, which is the presentations related to the instructional paragraph Bapak Ibu. So who wanna be the first? Jadi kira-kira Bapak Ibu siapa yang pertama ini atau perlu saya tunjuk? Oke,
Monggo
tapi
ditunjuk
mungkin
saja.
oh ditunjuk saja atau mungkin ada volunteer ya. Oh ya Miss mungkin enggak apa-apa Bapak siapa duluan atau Ibu siapa duluan, that's okay Bapak Ibu. Monggo silahkan.
Monggo Bapak Ibu, saya masih jet lag.
Saya aja, Miss.
Oh okay, we have
Lita.
Bulita. Okay, so please, you can share the screen.
Ada yang bisa bantu share screen?
Oke,
Oh,
ya saya itu dulu. Sebentar. Saya coba. Oh, bentar ya. Link. Karena saya nggak ada persiapan bukaan tadi. Oke. Yang
Ini
PPT
untuk
ya Bu Lita ya? PPT. PPT.
Iya, iya.
PPT. Ini ada Bu Lita. Oke.
Kok
okay.
deg-degan? Wahyu.
Oh, no, 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 no. Kita santai saja, Bapak Ibu, relax.
Apa mau saya duluan? Apa Bu Lita duluan? Bu Lita?
Takut nanti anak saya bangun.
Oh iya, deg-degannya karena itu. Oke, silakan.
Ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Awas, Kak. Awas.
Bu Ayu masih loading, Bu Ayu.
Iya, sudah?
Oke. Dah.
Heeh.
I would to introduce myself. My name is Lita Krismawati. I want I will be present my presentation about how to cook fried rice. Oh, sepertinya bukan yang ini Bu Wahyu, maaf maaf. Salah. Benar ya? Iya ya, sorry sorry.
Oke. Apakah sudah terlihat?
Next slide. Sudah. The material you need. First, you must have a rice
Okay.
and egg, vegetables, and fresh oil. Next slide. Yes. Black pepper, salt, chili, ya, chili, and then garlic, and
Soy
sweet
sauce.
soy sauce. Next. Nah, preparing ingredients. Nah, first we must slice the vegetable and cook egg. Cook egg gimana sih?
Mix egg maybe.
Yeah, make egg scramble. Scramble apa sih?
Scramble eggs. Oke.
Yes, yes, scramble.
Apakah masih di slide
Next.
ini? Oh, next. Oke. Step by step.
After scramble eggs, we must heat oil in the pan and salt the vegetables until fragrance. After that, add rice and stir well with the seasonings. And finally, next slide. And finally, plate the rice on plate the rice. Serve the rice right on the plate and add fried egg, cucumber, tomato. Finish.
Okay. Thank you, Bulita. I feel
Okay.
hungry.
I'm so
Yes, so do I ya. Jadi lapar lihat nasi goreng.
I feel
But
hungry.
first of all, so I will open the Q&A session. Bapak Ibu, saya buka untuk sesi Q&A atau tanya jawab. So maybe is there any questions from Bapak Ibu? Bisa saya silakan untuk di-mention.
Okay. Mimis.
Go ahead.
Miss Rita, Bulita, do you need a soy sauce
okay.
or no? because
What? Pardon me?
yes, do you need sauce? Do you need soy sauce for your fried rice? Because if you don't add soy sauce or MSG, it's sweet.
Mhm. Okay, so did you need that soy
Oh,
sauce? What is soy sauce actually, Bapak?
yes, yes.
Soy sauce is
Soy
kecap,
sauce.
asin,
Yes.
atau MSG.
Yeah.
So do we need it, Bu Lita?
Uh, it's optional, Miss Wahyu. If you
Oh,
like, so you can add and you can add it. If you don't like,
oh,
you can skip.
oh. Is Japanese fried rice or Chinese fried rice? Because I'm Chinese.
Chinese fashion ya, so you need it ya,
Yes.
or no? Okay. Okay, so is there any questions dari Bapak Ibu yang lain maybe? Okay, so if not, first of all, thank you ya Bu Ayu for the first questions tadi. And then for Bu Lita, nah actually the instructional presentation is very good karena sudah ada materials tadi. Tapi actually yang disebut oleh Bu Lita materials itu dia tidak cocok karena it should be ingredients. Dalam slides-nya tadi sudah betul ingredients, but then when you pronounce it, itu menjadi materials. Nah, materials itu konteksnya berbeda. Untuk makanan, maka we call it as ingredients atau bahan-bahan. Padahal di layarnya sudah betul tadi. And then also, please move to the first slide. Bu Wahyu, could you help me to, what is that? Share the screen again. Bisa
Okay.
di-share screen. Yeah, thank you so much.
Mhm.
Nah, in the second slide.
Second slides. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Nah, oh ya, second slide or oh sorry, the third one, yang ketiga, Bu. Nah, Bu Lita, so could you please mention it once again? Ini ingredients-nya apa-apa saja?
First itu black pepper,
Hey,
salt,
Mhm.
chili, onion,
Chili.
garlic and shallot
Okay, so
and soy sauce.
and soy sauce. Nah, actually, tadi yang saya confirm adalah maybe you forgot ya, Ibu ya. So you forgot to mention the shallots. Jadi we have chili, we have what is that? Garlic, and then the last one is shallots. So what is shallots, Ibu?
Bawang merah,
Yes. How about the garlic?
garlic, bawang putih.
Bawang putih. Oke, yes, thank you so much for the confirmations. Nah, kemudian connectorsnya sudah muncul ya. Tadi I have noticed about the first ada, kemudian until the last step itu Bu Lita punya finally tadi. That's very great actually. Sudah lengkap. And then how to pronounce what is that? Timun, ya mentimun in English, Bu Lita.
Cucumber.
It's not cucumber, but it's cucumber. Yes. Okay, so please mentioning once again, Bu Lita.
Cucumber.
Yeah, cucumber. Once again, please.
Cucumber.
Yep, that's great. And then kalau tomat bagaimana, Ibu?
Tomat itu
Tomato.
tomat ya
Tomat ya, tomat.
tomat.
Tomatoes.
It's a
Tomato.
tomato.
Tomat.
Iya,
Tomato.
it's a tomato. Jadi cucumber dan tomato. So Bapak Ibu please be responsible ya. Nanti bertanggung jawab. Jadi apapun yang ditampilkan, so harus juga sudah paham pronounce-nya seperti apapun, artinya seperti apa. But that's great. Semua komponen sudah masuk di situ ya. Thank you so much Bu Lita for the what is that presentations about the instructional. Sudah diupload ya Bu ya ke drive yang saya kirim kemarin, G?
Sudah, Bu.
Yep, thank you so much Bu Lita. Sudah semua insya Allah. Okay, and then we can move to the next one. Bu Lita sebagai presenter pertama, so the next one will be siapa kira-kira? Bapak Ibu, monggo saya persilakan. Nggak perlu ditunjuk-tunjuk kayaknya ya Bapak Ibu ya.
Sebelum saya menawarkan diri, ada yang menawarkan diri.
That's
Wahyu
okay.
buahnya
Santai,
Wahyu.
relax. Yang penting apa yang disampaikan dipahami, mungkin maknanya,
Eh,
pronounce-nya kan sudah latihan insya Allah ya. Iya.
Oke,
Sudah
saya.
ngafal Miss, tapi lupa.
Iya, sebenarnya juga sudah hafal ya, karena ini menjadi nilai final project ya Bapak Ibu ya. Jadi
Oh,
insya
oke,
Allah bisa
Miss.
Coba
dimaksimalkan.
Saya izin
Oh,
ya, Miss.
oke, go
Nah,
ahead Ibu.
karena saya mau presentasi di Canva.
Oke, go ahead.
Aduh, it's still loading.
Okay, that's okay. We'll wait for you.
Aha, yes. You can minimize. Okay, okay. Waduh, ini
Oh,
sepertinya sinyal di tempat saya kurang mendukung. Sebentar, saya izin
oh,
off cam.
oke.
Aduh, oke. Oke.
Nah, Bu Ayu, jangan gemetar ya.
Ya.
Aduh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Aman ya si Wahyu itu.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wahyu Kustini Andriani, and I want to present how to use Mendeley site.
Okay.
Just okay. This guide will teach you how to set up a Mendeley account, add reference to your library, and use Mendeley site to insert citation and create a bibliography in Microsoft Word. What you need? Ah, a computer or laptop with Windows 10 or 11 or Linux with at least 4 GB RAM and 500 MB free disk space. Microsoft Word and internet connection, a web browser, for example, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. And you need a email address and email address. PDF files of academic papers optional. Steps. Setting up a Mendeley account. To set up Mendeley, first of all, go to www.mendeley.com and click Create a free account. Then, fill in your email password and basic information. Next, click Continue to Mendeley. After that, select your current role and field of study and then click Continue. Your Mendeley Reference Manager is now ready to use. To add reference to Mendeley, you have three options. First, you can upload PDF files directly to your Mendeley web library by clicking Add Reference and selecting Import Files. Aduh, ini sepertinya kecepatan. Mohon maaf.
That's okay, Bu.
Kurang cepat. Halo, sinyalnya. Bentar. Ya. Saya ulangi ya. First, you can upload PDF files directly to your Mendeley web library by clicking Add Reference and selecting Import Files. Next, select the files you want to add to your Mendeley library and then click Open.
Mhm.
The system will extract the reference information automatically. Second, you can manually add a reference by clicking Add Reference, and then add reference manually in Mendeley Web. Fill in the author, title, year, and other required details. Once you have completed all fields, click Add Entry to add the reference to your library. Third, when you find a paper on website like Google Scholar, Scopus, or journal sites, click the Mendeley Web Importer icon in your browser. Next, click Add to Mendeley. The reference will be saved automatically to your online library. Installing Mendeley site plugin. After that, open Microsoft Word. Go to Insert tab and click Get Add-ins. In the search box, type Mendeley site and click Add. Wait a few moments until the add-in is installed. Once the installation is complete, Mendeley site is ready to use and will appear in the Reference tab in Word. Inserting citation and bibliography. To insert a citation, open your document and place your cursor where you want to add the citation. Click the Mendeley site button in the Reference tab. It appears as red M icon. A search box will appear like this. And then type the author's name or keyword from the reference you want to cite. Select the correct reference from the list that appears and click Insert Citation. The citation will appear in your text automatically. Like this, Supriyati et al. Finally, place your cursor at the end of your document where you want to the bibliography. Click Insert Bibliography. From the Mendeley site menu, your reference list will be created automatically, like this. Conclusion. Organize your reference in folder within Mendeley Web to find them as easily. Remember to save your document regularly while working. If a citation doesn't appear, check your internet connection and make sure you are logged in into Mendeley. Always review your bibliography before submitting your work to ensure all references are formatted correctly. Thank you for your attention. See you later.
Yes, thank you so much for the instructional presentations, Bu Wahyu. Okay, so before I ask several questions, so I will open the Q&A session untuk Bapak Ibu yang lain. Saya persilahkan jika ada pertanyaan. Monggo.
Bertanya tapi nggak bisa bahasa Inggris loh, Miss.
Ya udah bahasa Indonesia aja, nggak apa-apa Ibu.
Jangan bahasa Indonesia semua, nggih. Mungkin mix. Nggak apa-apa, di mix aja Ibu. Oke. Go ahead. Bu Dewi, apakah mau menanyakan? Monggo. Oke, mungkin belum ya. Setelah ini mungkin. Okay, so first of all, Bu Wahyu, your instructional presentation is very detailed, sangat detail sekali. That's a great point. And then you also have the materials. Tadi sudah ada goal pertama, how to use the Mendeley site, and then the materials juga sudah ada, and then the connectors. Bu Wahyu punya first of all, then, and so on. Sudah detail. And then Ibu, what actually judul in English? Judul itu in English kita sebut sebagai apa, Bu Wahyu?
Title.
Title.
Yep, so it's not title, but it's title. Okay.
Title.
Title.
Yes. Kemudian kalau yang tulisannya until. Haha, until. So,
Until.
yeah, we pronounce it as
Until.
until.
Oh,
Iya, sampai, sure. Kemudian bahasa Indonesianya adalah secara otomatis. So in English, how can we
automatically.
automatically?
Automatically.
It's not automatically, but it's automatically. Langsung saja. Ya,
Automatically. Okay.
make it more natural. Yes. And then, well, actually, I would like to ask untuk Bu Ayu. So, what is the function secara umum saja ya, Bu Ayu? So, what is actually the functions of Mendeley? Yes.
To insert citation of your paper untuk
Mhm.
mempermudah
Mhm.
mensitasi sebuah referensi di pekerjaan Anda. Di apa? Di paper Anda. In your paper
Okay, to make a citation ya.
citation. Mhm.
Aha. Can we access it online, Bu Wahyu? Or it must to be offline
Yes,
only?
Mendeley site is mass online. It's different from Mendeley desktop yang bisa yang apa itu offline gitu kan. Kalau Mendeley site harus fardu ain.
Okay, so we have two
So we
ways.
use internet connection.
Yes. Okay, so actually we have two ways to access it there. Yang pertama we have the online one, and second one for the offline one. But according to your opinion, based on your opinion, Bu Wahyu, which one is the effective one? The online one or the offline one?
Gini sih, 50-50. 50-50
Okay.
begini karena saya pernah menggunakan keduanya dan menurut saya dari segi penggunaan itu lebih nyaman menggunakan site. Tapi jika kepepet sekali tidak ada listrik kita offline saja main di desktop. Tapi
Okay.
dari segi kenyamanan dalam pencarian dan pemakaian di Word, saya sarankan menggunakan Mendeley Site.
Okay. Maybe you can mix with the English version, Bu Wahyu.
I,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Mhm.
I suggest you you solve Mendeley Site in your if you do paper, if you write a paper
Yes.
daripada berarti then Mendeley desktop because
Mhm.
it's very very different kalau menurut saya.
Okay.
In my opinion, Mendeley desktop,
Mhm.
in my opinion, is kurang apa ya? Kalau kurang nyaman berarti apa ya? Eh,
Uncom-
little comfort, little comfort. Saya tidak bilang tidak
Uncomfortable.
nyaman, tapi little comfort aja deh.
Yes. Then we can use the less. Less itu sedikit kurang ya.
Less
Less
comfort,
comfortable.
less comfort,
Oh,
kurang nyaman gitu. Less comfort gitu. And
less comfortable. Yes. Okay, so Bu Wahyu ya mau prefer to the online one ya, rather than the desktop, because maybe you can access more ya, bisa diakses lebih lagi ya fitur-fiturnya mungkin Bu Wahyu ya.
ya, saya mau
Okay.
menambahkan itu, Miss, tapi nanti kepanjangan. Nanti kata Bu Dewi, buahi panjang sekali presentasinya.
It's okay. There's no problem. Tidak ada masalah. You can go ahead. Hanya dipresentasikan saja. That's okay. Mau mau panjang, mau pendek, that's okay, Bapak Ibu ya. We
Yes,
don't have
ma'am.
a problem with that. Mhm. Oke, kalau begitu, so Bu Ayu, thanks for the instructional presentations ya. All of the components is there, sudah di sana semua tadi. And then just only several kind of questions, dan sudah saya tanya juga related to the functions tadi ya, juga sudah
Mhm.
dijawab. Tapi mungkin pada next one nanti di mix-mix lagi ya dengan bahasa Inggris lebih banyak mungkin. But all is great, sudah sangat bagus sekali. And then thank you for the first and second presenter tadi sudah kita lewati, and then now we move to the third presenter. Who wanna be the next, Bapak Ibu?
I just want to thank you about for you, Miss. I have
Okay.
experience in Singapore
Oh,
yesterday.
wow.
Jadi
Oh,
kemarin,
wow.
jadi kemarin tuh saya ke Singapura, kan harusnya saya dijemput dengan tim yang di sana gitu kan. Entah karena miskonfirmasi atau apa gitu kan. Nama saya kan Wahyu Kustini Andriani. Terbiasa saya tuh dipanggilnya Rea gitu kan kalau di sana. Karena nggak tahu mereka kayak sulit gitu ya ngomong Wahyu gitu ya. Rea itu.
Oh, iya.
Kemudian saya sudah mencoba memanage waktu untuk membuat presentasi gitu. Tapi nggak nututnya itu gara-gara saya salah jemput, Miss. Harusnya saya
Wow.
dijemput oleh tim ini, ternyata tim ini dan saya disasarkan di Singapura yang entah.
Oh my goodness. So, where are you now, Bu Wahyu? Sekarang di
Saya
mana ini?
sudah pulang. Harusnya saya
Hmm.
menghadiri kayak workshop di Hotel A gitu ya misalnya. Saya dijemputnya oleh tim lain yang saya juga nggak kenal itu siapa, tapi mereka bilang, itu Miss Rea. Saya bilang, yes. Saya dibawa ke Singapura entah di mana itu tiba-tiba saya ditunjuk untuk itu kan, apa namanya, memberikan sambutan singkat untuk pertemuan wali murid.
Wow. Oh wow, that's amazing. That's
Saya belum
gorgeous.
siap-siap. Terus saya bilang ketika saya kan punya prinsip ketika mic sudah di tangan saya, maka saya mau gak mau harus maju gitu kan. Aduh, ini kayaknya salah itu. Jadi saya itu beruntungnya saya mengenal jenengan dan bisa Ayu yang kemarin baru saja memberikan kami tugas presentasi. Jadi saya menyampaikan presentasi yang seharusnya saya berikan ke tugasnya Miss Ayu yang kemarin ke wali murid baru ketika tengah-tengah saya memberikan sambutan, panitianya baru sadar kalau Raya yang dimaksud bukan saya.
Oh wow. Then,
And then
huh?
ketika saya turun, saya nggak tahu harus berekspresi gimana. Mereka minta maaf, saya salah jemput orang.
My goodness. Haha. And then the real Rhea is coming. Rhea yang
Raya
sebetulnya datang.
nggak bisa datang waktu itu Miss Rayanya gitu loh. Ya Allah ya Robby, akhirnya antara maaf dan terima kasih gitu kan. Nah, saya minta kompensasinya saya harus diantar ke Hotel A dalam waktu 30 menit karena saya ada presentasi juga di situ kan. Nah, di
Mhm.
tengah perjalanan itu saya nggak tahu gimana, tapi saya berterima kasih sekali dengan Anda karena tugas Anda yang mendesak. Kadang-kadang harus membuat begini dalam waktu singkat. Itu saya benar-benar saya praktekkan untuk materi saya di Singapura kemarin.
Alhamdulillah,
Terima
it's
kasih
very.
banyak, Miss.
You also did such a great person juga, Bu Wahyu ya. Be responsible, bertanggung jawab walaupun tidak tahu. Actually, what should you say ya in front of a lot of people ya. Tidak tahu
Iya.
mau disampaikan apa. But then you're very a great person, be responsible as well. Sangat tanggung jawab juga dipanggil dan langsung bisa ya Bu ya ternyata.
Ya
Oh,
karena
wow.
materinya itu kebetulan hampir sama dengan materinya Miss Ayu kemarin tentang teknologi yang saya presentasikan ya wes aji mumpung wes ya wes ngomong iku wae.
Iya, iya. Oh my God.
Aduh, terima
Alhamdulillah tiba
kasih.
juga. Tiba dengan selamat ya berarti ya Bu ya. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Pengalaman terpakai. Okay, thanks. It's a nice story ya actually. Bersyukur juga untuk bisa ketemu dengan Bapak Ibu semua di sini. Thank you for sharing the idea ya Bu Wahya. And then
Mm-mm.
now, okay, so now we will move to the next. Nah, ini kira-kira siapa ini? Setelah tadi Bu Lita and then Bu Wahyu juga dengan kesan besarnya juga very interesting. Kemudian we will move to the next. Nah, Bapak Ibu siapa selanjutnya? Monggo. Oke, begini-begini tapi you didn't say anything ya Bapak ya. Jadi begini-begini saja. Oke, so Pak Nurali Hasan, please open the mic. Monggo. Senyum-senyum saja ya Pak ya. Oke. You still, oke. Mhm. Go ahead, Bapak. Monggo silahkan.
Bu Dewi apa Pak Nur?
Bu, sorry, Pak Nurali ya. Mhm.
Ya, bentar.
Jangan panggil nama aku sudah dikduk loh Bu Ayu.
Oh,
My
aku
God.
kaget.
Jangan Bu, jangan taktik Bu. Kita santai
Apa
saja.
mana aku sih kok mendadak langsung ngomong. Aku
Oh
kaget.
iya, iya. Betul juga ya.
Hmm.
Okay, we're waiting. Yes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you to Miss Nur Jalia Khairati and my friends.
Okay.
I would like to take this opportunity to present my assessment English lecture. Therefore, please share
Okay.
how to operate photo camera. This is this is the Canon EOS 70. This is the Canon EOS 70. Camera manufactured by Canon, Japanese company. A high-end DSLR camera for professional consumer. How to operate the camera. How to operate the camera. First check and the completeness of the camera, battery, memory, and memory card, and light flash. Open the landscape. Then open the landscape. Adjust the shutter speed. Adjust the shutter speed and ISO. The camera is ready to record the subject. Press the start button. Each time you record a model object. The result can be seen on the camera screen. Alhamdulillah, thank you.
Alhamdulillah, ya. Thank you so much, Pak Nur Ali Hasan, Pak Hasan. So, so we'll open the Q&A session, Bapak Ibu. Saya buka untuk sesi pertanyaannya. So, monggo, if you have any questions, monggo bisa disampaikan. Oke, jika belum ya, so I will ask first. Pak Hasan, Pak Nurali Hasan. So actually, ya Bapak got the topic, yaitu adalah how to operate a camera ya. Nah, actually foto camera itu sudah pasti kita gunakan untuk foto ya Bapak ya. So you just only simply say, bisa disebutkan dengan simple saja how to operate a camera. Kemudian baru nanti bisa ditambahkan dengan mereknya atau brandnya Canon S70 langsung saja begitu ya Bapak ya. Oke, and then next one. And then the next one, did you have a material Bapak? Apakah ada material tadi?
Ada.
Oke.
Mana?
Mhm.
Iya. Ini material yang dibutuhkan, yang ada di dalam kamera,
Oke.
baterai, kelengkapan baterai, flash and memory card.
And then memory card. Okay, well, actually, to mention kamera, kamera is bahasa Indonesia ya, but in English we just simply say it camera. Jadi KEMRA langsung disebut saja dengan camera. It's not a camera, no, it's camera. Langsung saja ya, Bapak. Yep. And then please move to the 7th slide. Move ke slide ke-8, Bapak. Slide ke-8. Oh, sorry. The 7th slide. Slide ke-7.
Ketujuh, ke seven.
Yep.
Slide 7.
7 slide. It's still in the 8. Ini kalau di saya ini page yang atau slide ke-8 ya. Bisa naik lagi ke atas Bapak 1. Yang ke-7. Ini kalau di saya masih ke-8. Oke.
7 ini.
Oh, wait. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken ya, kalau saya tidak salah itu Pak Wahyu, sorry, Pak Nurali Hasan, you also mentioned about the shutter. Shutter apa
Ya.
tadi Bapak?
Oh, shutter itu ke-8.
No. I think it's 6 ya, kalau tidak salah tadi 6. Iya, the 6 one. Nah, the 6 yang ke-6. Kalau kelihatan dari fotonya sepertinya 6 ya. That we can rolling it up. Jadi bisa kita putar-putar the button. Aha. In the 6, Bapak ini 5. Sepertinya di layar saya ini 5. Nah, yang ke-6. Nah, that's one. Nah, how to mention yang kita sebut dengan di situ ada SPEED. How to mention that, Bapak? How to mention. Bagaimana penyebutan untuk SPEED ini, Bapak?
Speed.
Yep, sure. So it's not a speed, but it's speed. So
Speed.
this one, so this bottom is the shutter speed. Ya, Bapak ya. Yep. So Pak Nurali Hasan, what is hasil in English? Hasil, nggih?
Final. Oh.
Result.
Ya. Iya, jadi itu adalah result. Kalau tadi, if I'm not mistaken, kalau tadi saya salah dengar itu, Pak Nurali Hasan mentionnya adalah result. Ya, kalau tidak salah result. But it must to be result. Yang artinya adalah hasil. Ya, tadi the result apa-apa-apa. Oke, itu sebagai catatan saja mungkin. But then, when Pak Ali...
Result.
No.
Bacanya.
Iya, betul sekali. It's a result. Oke.
On the camera screen. Jadi
Iya,
bisa dikatakan.
iya,
Jadi
betul.
aja lihat di kamera, di layar kamera.
Okay, yes. Nah, that's result. Okay, that's a great point. Kemudian sudah betul juga tadi Pak Nurali barusan. Itu sudah sesuai. And then, yes, Pak Nurali also has the complete kind of things. Sudah ada gold di situ. And then materials juga sudah ada. And then using the connectors juga tadi ya Pak ya. Connectorsnya apa-apa saja tadi Pak? Please mention it once again.
Dan.
Yes, then boleh. Tadi ada finally juga enggak Pak? Finally.
No, finally ini finally mestinya.
Oke, berarti penutupnya last step-nya tadi ditutup dengan apa konektornya? Kira-kira kalau masih
The result can be screen. Oh, finally itu ya. Kurang finally. Yes.
Iya. Oke, so finally the result can bla 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 ya Bapak ya. Oke.
Can
Oh,
I
yes,
ask
yes.
to Mr. Nur Ali, Miss?
Oh ya, oke. So thank you. Questions from me. I think that's enough. Dari saya sudah cukup mungkin. And then I will open for the Bapak Ibu yang lain. Go ahead, please. Silakan.
Okay, Mr. Nur Ali, your presentation title is How to Operate. Title How to Operate Camera. Ya?
Yeah.
Can you be specific about what type of camera that is? Because my network is bad.
Stable.
And then, how long should I hold the shutter button until the camera focus?
Yes. Oh. Yes, tidak menyebutkan itu. Hanya shutter kecepatan, mengoperasikan hanya kecepatan, tidak kecepatan, diafragma, speed, speed, diafragma itu aja. Jadi untuk fokus tidak menyebutkan saya.
Lah iya, how long, berapa? Bisa ketemu. Iki aku kecampur Singlish haya. How long should I hold the shutter button until the camera focus? Berapa lama saya harus apa ya? Memfokuskan shutter button itu apa ya? Tombol shutter sampai kameranya fokus. Iki aku serius tanya soalnya aku nggak bisa fotografi.
Oke.
Satu detik, apa satu detik ini? 2 detik sudah bisa. Dengan
Oke.
klik
It's
tombol shutter,
around,
itu
ya.
sudah bisa. Sangat mudah itu.
Oke. Perkiraan mungkin ya, so approximately 2 seconds, mungkin sekitar 2 detik or 3 seconds ya, around itu sekitaran itu mungkin ya.
Oh, until the
Wah,
camera focus ya. Until the
ya,
camera focus. Oh, I see, I see. Oke, oke.
autofocus.
Mhm. And also
Ya,
tadi Bu Wahyu first questions-nya tadi masih belum ya. What is the camera type? Tipe kameranya belum dijawab tadi. Monggo Bapak.
Canon EOS 7D. Canon EOS 7D.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Apakah
Oke.
tiap kamera pengoperasiannya berbeda, Pak?
Uh, prinsipnya sama. Prinsipnya
Oh,
sama. Caranya masing-masing. Mobil prinsipnya sama, digas itu diinjak. Tapi ada yang persneling di atas, ada yang di bawah.
aduh, pemanik ya Allah. So sorry, I don't know about this.
Okay. Actually, the function is just the same. Fungsinya sama ya, to take a picture ya.
Oh,
But then maybe the fiturnya yang mungkin berbeda-beda between one camera and also other camera ya, fiturnya saja yang berbeda. Okay, thank you so much ya Bu Wahyu for the questions and Pak Nurali for the answers. Nah, so maybe is there any other questions? Ada lagi pertanyaan yang lain mungkin Bapak Ibu? If no, okay. So yes, Pak Nurali, thank you for the instructional presentations ya Bapak ya. As the third presenter, thank you so much. Tadi sudah ditutup, sudah ditutup ya tadi sama Pak Nurali ya, closingnya.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay, thank you so much, Pak. Okay, so now Bapak Ibu, we will move to the next presenter, which is the fourth presenter. Presenter yang keempat, maka monggo, who wanna be the
Bu
next?
Dewi, go Bu Dewi.
Ini support
Nyoba
Ayo, ayo.
sambil menghafalkan ini.
santai saja Bu. Bapak Ibu yang lain yang keempat ini tadi sudah ini sangat santai sekali kita actually ya. Gak apa-apa, kita presentasi terus nanti ada catatan mungkin untuk membantu ya Bapak Ibu ya sebetulnya. Oke, go ahead please. Monggo, Bu Dewi jadi ini ya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Izin share screen nggih, Miss.
Nama
monggo.
itu share screen.
Nama itu Soma Godin.
Ya kita santai saja ya, santai saja.
Oke. Aduh, kok yang ini yang keluar. Sebentar, how to cook Indomie soup. Oh yeah. Lah kok mati. Kelihatan wajah saya, Bu.
That's okay Bu. Screen-nya sudah terlihat very clear, sangat terlihat jelas.
Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. My
Hai.
name is Dewi Nur Hasanah, and today I am going to show you how to cook Indomie soup in a simple and easy way.
Okay.
This guide show you how to cook Indomie soup step by step for for a tasty result. What you need: 1 pack of Indomie soup, 400 milliliter of water, a pot. Tuh, pancinya nggak ada. Sorry miss, the picture of the pan or pot forgot. Forgot ya. A pot, a stove, a bowl, a spoon, or a fork. First, prepare the Indomie pack, a pot, a bowl, and 400 milliliter of water, and place all the seasoning in the bowl before cooking the noodles. Next, pour 400 milliliter of water into the pot. Yeah, into the pot. Heat it on medium and let it boil so the noodles cook evenly. Once the water boils, add the noodles and cook for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until tender, and then turn off the heat. After that, pour the noodles and broth into the bowl with the seasoning. Finally, stir until fully dissolved, and your Indomie soup is ready to enjoy. The conclusion, Indomie soup is easy to make, just prep, boil, cook, and mix. Ensure the noodles are done and the seasoning is well blended for the best taste. Guys, here are a few tips to make it more nutritious and delicious. You can add vegetables, eggs, and chilies. Oh, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. So, Bapak Ibu, is there any questions about the Indomie soup? Sorry. Oh ya, betul ya, Indomie soup ya tadi ya.
Indomie soup.
Yes.
Ya,
Indomie soup noodles or
Indomie soup.
Indomie soup. Okay, so is there any questions Bapak Ibu yang lain?
saya.
Oke, monggo.
Iya juga sehat, makanan tidak sehat.
Oh. Loh, jadi aku mau menanyakan sehat-sehat. If you want to add an egg, how do you do it?
Top.
If
Apa,
you
Bu?
want to add an egg, how do you do it?
If
Menambah.
you want.
If you want. Kalau kamu pengen menambahkan an egg, sebuah telur, bagaimana
Iya.
how do you do? Bagaimana?
Iya. Tadi nggak saya jelaskan ya.
Iya,
Dia
enggak.
seharusnya dipotong-potong ya.
Iya. It's carbohydrate. 100% carbohydrate is
Iya,
not worth it.
Bu. Seharusnya ada sayuran ya.
Yeah,
Ada
it's not
protein.
it's
Nah,
ada
tadi kan
fiber.
tipsnya. Itu tadi kan cara-caranya aja yang ada di situ. Lah, tadi ada tipsnya biar ada nutrisi, ada lebih mantap rasanya, lebih delicious. Nah, itu tadi ditambah itu gitu loh, Bu. Maksudnya.
If you want to fat. If you want to fat. Nggak usah nambahin apa-apa.
Tadi ada actually tadi ada suggestion di akhir ya. Di akhir what is instructional presentation itu sebetulnya ada suggestion.
Ask it, please.
If you want, okay, after this ya. So if you want to add the what is that? Add to make it more, what is that tadi, Bu Dewi, untuk conclusionnya?
Konklusinya, Indomie soup is easy to make, just prep, apa tadi ya? Boil, cook, and mix. Ensure the noodles are done. Are done, and the seasoning is well blended for the best taste.
To make it more delicious. Ivan,
Terakhir.
Ya, kalau saya tidak salah tadi juga
muncul tadi itu muncul kalimat saya terus saya translate, tak hafalkan, belum saya catat di situ.
That's okay. Okay, okay.
You can add. It can also increase your weight if you if you eat regularly.
Yeah. So if I'm not mistaken, tadi Bu Dewi juga mentions if you want to make it more delicious, and then if I'm not mistaken, related to healthy
Oh,
juga tadi ya.
itu
Yeah, so
delicious,
so you can add the vegetables. Tadi
nutritious,
sudah disebutkan
nutritious
sebetulnya.
and delicious.
Nah, itu dia. Jadi sudah di-mention, hanya mungkin lupa saja. Jadi you can add the vegetables. Tadi saya juga sudah dengar itu. Kemudian eggs juga mungkin saya lupa ya. Tapi sepertinya juga sudah di-mention. Ya, hanya mungkin lupa-lupa sedikit. Oke, thank you Bu Wahyu ya. For the questions. Yes, and then the next one kita punya juga another questions from Pak Nurali Hasan. Yap, monggo Bapak. Go ahead.
Terus untuk Bu Dewi, why not add
Oke.
chicken, Bu Dewi?
Oh, oh, I don't like chicken. Jadi di situ di presentasi saya ada kasih chicken. I like egg.
Oke, Bu Dewi prefer egg berarti dan the chicken
I
ya.
like chicken kampung.
Yes,
Chicken horn. No. No like.
Chicken horn.
Oh, chicken apa itu? Empok-empok ya, chicken pok-pok ya, Bu ya.
Oke, we're talking about food ya, jadi lapar sekarang ya Allah. Sedang hujan di luar, it's rain outside. Oh my goodness.
Sangat hot, spicy,
Iya.
and spicy.
Okay, thank you Pak Nurali. Maybe is there any other questions lagi, Bapak Ibu, Pak Nurali, Bu Wahyu, dan Bapak Ibu yang lainnya, Bu Ama, Pak Agung, Pak Zardan.
Miss Angie aja, the question.
Oke, kalau begitu to
Sudah
close
mulus-mulus
the
nih.
session.
Sudah
Ya.
mulus-mulus mau ke kamar mandi soalnya.
Okay, I would like to ask for the preference. Ini lebih ke preference yang very casual, yang simple. So actually, which flavor, Bu Dewi, that you're prepare for? Memilih flavor yang mana? Jadi, what is your reasons? Saya mau dengar dari sisi Inggrisnya saja. Flavor yang mana from the Indomie soup? Because we have a lot of kind of flavor ya, Bu Dewi ya. So which one that you choose actually?
First, prepare. Yes.
For any kind of situation, that's okay. Terserah mau situasi apa saja. But then which flavor that you choose, Bu Dewi?
Pilihan
Ini
rasa
open.
Bu Dewi pilih yang mana? Lebih memilih yang apa dan alasannya apa?
And then the reason is alasannya.
Lebih seger itu apa ya, Miss?
Oh, itu sih.
Sup, Indomie soup itu lebih seger gitu loh.
Oh, wow.
Kalau Indomie goreng, I don't like.
I mean specific for the flavor. Kita punya a lot of kind of flavor ya. Mungkin tadi ada soto, apa tadi ya? Soto ayam and then so on. Nah,
Soto and curry.
because
Itu seger,
more refreshing. That's okay, that's
seger
okay.
and hot.
Mhm.
Hot, hangat itu lebih hangat ya, Miss? Apa, Miss?
Warm.
Kalau spicy itu kan yes.
Calming, so it will calming our body berarti ya Bu ya. Untuk
Oh yes.
ya.
Apalagi diminum hangat-hangat, dimakan pas waktu
Sudah
dingin-dingin
cukup,
kan
Bu
badan
Dewi,
kita
sudah
hangat.
cukup. Di sini hujan deras, saya tidak bisa membelinya, sudah.
Yes. Okay, so Bu Dewi sudah punya the goal, topic, and then materials as well. Hanya mungkin tadi you forgot about one thing tadi ya yang belum di-mention. And then also you are using the connector such as after that. Kemudian finally juga tadi
After that,
accurate.
finally,
Okay. And then Bu Dewi tadi pronounce chili.
chilies.
Cabai. Cabai in English adalah
Chili.
so that is chili ya. It's not chiles ya Bu Dewi ya.
Chilies.
Ya.
Banyak cabai maksudnya tadi. Chilies.
Chiles. Yeah, still chiles. It's not chiles. Okay. I think that's all. Bu Dewi, thank you so much for the instructional presentations. Yes, we're done with Bu Dewi, and then now we'll move to the next one.
Miss, izin kamar mandi ya, Miss ya.
Yeah, go ahead, Bu. Monggo.
Yuk, Bu Ama, yuk.
Not ready yet. Another.
Okay, maybe the other one. Mungkin we have Pak Agung, Pak Zardan,
Pak
dan Bu
Zardan,
Nurul. Hmm.
Pak Zardan yang sudah
Oke.
mengumpulkan.
Oh wow, oke, go ahead Bapak.
Bu Ayu bisa minta tolong di share screen ini nggak bisa nge-share.
Oke,
Oh,
sebentar ya. Tak buka lagi drive-nya. Image. Yang di itu ya, PDF-nya apa PPT-nya, Pak? PDF-nya ya, Pak ya?
Di PPT-nya, tapi itu bentuknya PDF.
Oh, oke. Oh, ada Pak Agung juga yang sudah mengerjakan. Pak, tak nyari mana ini?
Ya, while waiting ya Bapak Ibu yang sudah doing the instructional presentations, you can upload the file ya, PDF
Hmm,
atau Word-nya, and then also the PPT. You can upload it into the link that I've sent yang sudah saya kirim kemarin ya Bapak Ibu ya.
yes,
Oke.
Miss. Pak, Pak, share screen. Nah, belum muncul ya, Pak ya?
belum. Ya,
Sudah?
Oke.
Belum, Bu, bentar.
Oke.
ayam.
Bagus, lucu,
Kuat
imut,
ini,
cute.
kuat.
Ayam dan
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
kambing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will discuss a little about building a farm step by step. Hmm,
Wah,
Goat farming is an activity of raising goats in a planned and organized manner to produce meat, milk, skin manure, and high quality breeding stock. This business is considered potential because goats are adaptable, reproduce quickly, and have a broad market demand. What do you need to prepare to start from land, goat, material for building checkies, checkies, advanced in, infrastructure, checkies, equipment, drinking water systems, health facilities, fan and strongy warehouse, labor, livestock produce milk and meat. Thank you. Sekian,
Ya,
Miss.
thank you, Pak Zardan.
Okay,
Step by
so
stepnya di worknya, Miss. Di PPT-nya nggak notut.
yeah, that's okay. Thank you, Pak Zadang, for the instructional presentation. So, Bapak Ibu, I will open the Q&A session. Saya buka Kak, sesi tanya jawabnya, nggih. So, monggo, if you have any questions, so you can mention it. Kalau ada pertanyaan, monggo, saya disampaikan Bapak Ibu.
What is labor?
Okay, so Pak Zadan, there is a question. So, what actually labor is? Apa itu?
Labor tenaga kerja.
Okay. Yeah, so it's a labor, tenaga kerja. Okay, and then is there any other questions again, Bapak Ibu? Hmm? So while waiting, yeah, for the other questions, so please go to the first slide yang paling pertama, to the title or the goal. Nah, in here, how to start a good farm. Actually, Pak Zardan, you just only can stop, bisa di stop sampai dengan farm saja. Step by step itu tidak perlu
Oh,
di-mention. Ya,
yes,
karena
yes.
step by step itu sudah sangat clear nanti saat penyampaiannya. So the topic is just only how to start a goat farm. And then next one, please. Di slide number 5, slide number 5 di sampingnya itu tadi. Mhm. So, Pak Zardan, please read it again for the middle circle, di dalam circle yang di tengah itu. So, please mention it once again.
Yes.
Mhm. Di pronounce lagi, Pak Zardan.
Dibaca lagi yang di tengah, Pak.
Oh, paid and stroke warehouse.
Okay,
Warehouse.
so actually that's feed. Ya, Pak
Oh,
Zardan.
feed.
Iya, feed and storage.
Storage.
Iya, feed and storage warehouse. So what is actually the meaning?
Artinya
Yes,
apa,
Miss.
Mbak?
Aha, artinya apa?
Um,
Feed and storage warehouse.
pakan, pakan dan gudang, gudang apa tadi? Perlengkapan.
Oke, pakan
Penyimpanan. Penyimpanan.
dan gudang penyimpanan.
Penyimpanan.
Oke, how about
Wah,
in the left side circle di sebelah kiri? Please mention it once again, Pak Zardan.
yes, Miss.
Oke, yang sebelah
Di
kiri, infrastrukturnya, please dibaca lagi.
infrastruktur.
Infrastruktur,
Infrastructure.
kegis,
Hey,
cegis,
nah, it's not cages, but it's gates.
cage. Oh, cage.
What's the meaning of that, Pak Zardan?
Cage.
Mhm.
Equipment,
Aha.
drinking,
Yeah, what's the meaning of cakes, first of all?
Artinya cage.
Yeah, what's the meaning of
kandang, kandang, Miss.
okay, cage, kandang. Okay, that's great. And then the next one we have equipment. What's the meaning of that?
Equipment, peralatan.
Okay, cage, equipment, peralatan yang mendukung. And then next one we have drinking water system. Yes, health
Mungkin buat
facilities.
sistem air untuk minum.
Yes, okay, the cage, equipment, drinking water system, health facilities. Okay, and then the next one
Fasilitas.
yang di tengah. Okay, once again yang di tengah, Pak Zardan.
Gimana, Miss?
Yang di tengah.
Yang feed and storage warehouse itu loh, Pak.
Artinya,
Mm-mm.
Mention.
oh, pakan dan gudang penyimpanan.
No, in English. Just mention in
Oh,
English.
feed and storage warehouse.
Okay, warehouse ya. And then yang terakhir tadi yang ditanyakan Bu Wahyu juga.
Labor.
Labor. Okay. So Pak Zardan, what is mengorganisir in English? Mengorganisir in English. Tadi sudah di-mention, tapi sepertinya pelafalannya masih belum sesuai. So what is that?
And organize it.
Organize. Ya.
Oh, organize.
Yes, it must be organized. And then next one, untuk potensial. Nah, potensial bahasa Inggrisnya adalah, aduh, itu
Potential.
well, actually saya sudah mention itu ya dalam English. Potensi kan bahasa Indonesianya. And then the
Yeah,
English one is potential. That's okay kalau begitu. Catatan saya
potential.
sudah saya baca. That's okay. And then the last one, peternakan tadi Pak Zardan in English adalah
Goat farming.
only the how to mention FRAM. Bacanya seperti apa Pak Zardan?
F,
Oh sorry, FARM. Bacanya seperti apa?
farm.
Once again, please. Sekali lagi.
Farming. Farm.
Iya, yes, only farm ya. Karena tadi Pak Zardan R-nya di depan jadi from. So it's not from, but
Oh, farm.
iya, iya. So it's a farm. Oke ya Pak Zardan ya.
Farm. Yes,
Yes, and
Miss.
yeah, you got all of them. Tadi topiknya atau goalnya sudah, and then you also have the kind of connectors. Do you still remember about the connectors that you have, Pak Zardan? Konektor yang dipakai tadi apa-apa saja
Gimana,
dalam
Miss?
penyampaian. Konektor yang dipakai apa-apa saja tadi dalam penyampaian the steps.
Connect.
Yes. Kira-kira konektornya apa-apa saja yang dipakai tadi Pak Zardan?
And
Oke.
belum begitu paham, Miss.
Well, actually tadi Pak Nurali, if I'm not mistaken, tadi saya mendengar ya ada tadi bantuan dari Pak Nurali, ada Dan di situ saat penjelasan ya. Actually konektor adalah kata. Ya, kata atau frasa yang menghubungkan satu step dengan step yang lainnya. Ya Pak Zardannya. Contohnya
Baik.
Dan tadi sudah di-mention oleh Pak Hasan juga, Pak Nurali Hasan. Atau apalagi selain Dan, Bapak Ibu?
Finally.
Iya, finally kita gunakan untuk mengakhiri pada step terakhir biasanya. Oke, apa Zardan ya? Jadi kalau memulai maka
Yes,
kita bisa pakai first of all atau first saja itu merupakan konektor-konektor untuk menghubungkan the first step and also the other step. Step satu dengan step yang lainnya. Ya, Pak Zardan ya. Hopefully you
yes,
can
ma'am.
understand ya. Semoga bisa dipahami for the point. Kemudian nanti bisa lagi ditingkatkan, digunakan for the next final project insya Allah kalau memang masih ada. Oke ya Pak Zardan ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Iya,
Yes,
oke.
thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much Pak Zadang for the instructional presentations. And then now we will move to the next. Siapa berikutnya
Pak
kira-kira?
Agung.
Pak Agung. Are you there Pak Agung? Or maybe Bu Nadila? Oke,
Yes,
ya.
Miss.
Ya,
Please,
go ahead.
Wahyu help me to share screen
Oke.
di grup
Firstly,
ya, di grup
yes.
yang grup.
Firstly,
Ada ya?
ada a question from Miss Lita. What is the pronunciation of advance?
You only answer it Bu Wahyu, advance. That's actually the answer. So advanced itu bacanya adalah advanced. Yes, that's the answer. Thank you Bu Lita. Dan thank you as well Bu Wahyu ya. Tadi sudah sebetulnya langsung menjawab itu.
Ngapain tak jawab gitu ya? Harusnya perkata EDF gitu ya. Astagfirullahaladzim, mohon maaf. Bentar,
Saling
masih
membantu.
mendownload. Bentar ya Pak Agung, download ya Pak Agung. Sinyal saya di sini kurang mendukung soalnya Pak Agung. Lah, wes. Asal nggak bikin buka Canva aja, it's okay. Nah, yes. Bentar. Bentar ya Pak Agung, masih loading.
Oke.
Oke. Ini ya. Here we go. Lah, hilang nanti gini. Nah,
Oke.
oke. Sudah terlihatkah di saya masih hitam?
Oh wow, it's very
No. Nah. So, sorry.
funny.
Saya
Very
kemarin mau mempresentasikan kimia tapi nggak jadi, nanti tambah pusing. Ya.
okay.
Go, Pak Agung.
Baik, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much pada Miss Enci sama teman-teman. I will present how to drive a manual car. Car apa car? Car.
It's a car, yeah.
Car. Number one, materials needed. One, car ready to use.
It's a car, Bapak.
Terus,
The car is not care. Kalau care itu peduli.
oh ya, car ready to use. Key ya, car key, kunci, and then SIM drive our driving license. Terus STNK or apa ini langsung ya. Number 2 steps nggak kelihatan ya, kelihatan Bu Wahyu ya.
Oke, begini Pak. Ini nah, yes. Udah besar ya Pak, kurang gede Pak.
Matur suwun. Step to drive a car. First, make sure you can drive and have a driving license. Also, make sure your STNK has been renewed ya. Then make sure the car is in good condition. Then adjust your sitting position and adjust the rear view mirror. Terus number 3, starting the car engine. First, insert the key into the ignition and turn it no the right. Press the clutch pedal and shift the transmission to neutral. Start the car engine and let it run for a few seconds before pressing the gas pedal. Oh, itunya belum diganti, Lek. Digital apa itu? Sing digitalnya gurung diganti.
Wah, iya.
Terus, lah iya itu. Ini adjust the sitting position and rear view mirror. Adjust your sitting position to rest the pedals and steering wheel comfortable. Then adjust the inside, outside, and side mirrors to monitor road condition. And 5, driving a car. First, use a seat belt. Press the clutch pedal and shift the transmission lever to position 1 or first. Terus release the handbrake and slowly press the gas pedal while releasing the clutch. Pay attention to road condition and adjust the car speed. Use the brake pedal to reduce speed and the clutch pedal to change gears. And 6 ya, 6 6 itu 6 ya. 6, stop the car. Pay attention to road condition and find a safe place to stop. Then step on the brake pedal and shift the transmission lever to neutral. Then pull the handbrake and turn off the car engine. Sudah.
Thank you, Pak Agung.
Thank you. You're
Okay. Thank you, Pak, for the instructional presentations. So, okay, Bapak Ibu, I will open the Q&A sessions. So if you have any questions, you can mention it, Bapak Ibu. Monggo.
I want to ask to Mr. Muhammad Rayagu, what is
Okay.
rear view mirror? And apa lagi mau? Make sure apa Pak Agung?
Make sure itu apa namanya, pastikan.
Make sure. Ini
Make
saya,
sure pastikan.
karena saya juga nggak
Terus?
bisa nyetir Pak Agung sebentar. Ini.
Oh iya.
Clutch with while releasing the clutch or clutch. What is the clutch? What is the clutch?
Clutch coupling. Ya.
Oh iya. Aku nggak tahu makan takut. Ini tadi sama rear view ini rear view mirror. Ya.
Mirror, yeah. So, what is that, Pak Agung, rear view?
Rear view.
Rear view is?
Review itu saya iling-iling. Oh ya, review. Yang paragraf mana nih? Saya bentar.
Ya, yang ini.
Oh, adjust classification and review rear view mirror. Apa namanya? Melihat, memperhatikan kaca spion.
Oh,
Yeah.
spion
Itu
is
ada-
rear view mirror.
Bukan rear view bacanya, kok rear view tadi kayaknya. Itu yang apa, Bu? Rear view atau rear view?
Rear view ya, rear view mirror.
Ya.
Sudah Pak Agung, terima kasih Pak Agung. Itu vehicle itu apa Pak Agung? Vehicle ini loh. Vehicle.
Yang mana?
Tak zoom loh. Vehicle.
Vehicle. Oh, vehicle.
Vehicle.
Then,
Vehicle itu apa itu ya? Surat apa? Bukan surat. Apa surat tanda nomor kendaraan itu bahasa Inggris. Vehicle
Oh,
registration.
vehicle. Tulisannya vehicle, ya kan? Kurang E.
Uh,
Typo.
Picle.
Vehicle
Yeah.
registration. Oke, oke. Thank you, Pak Agung. Satu Pak Agung.
Okay, so that's the questions from Bu Wahyu. And then the next one, maybe, is there any other questions? Go ahead, Bapak Ibu. Oke, kalau begitu Pak Agung, let me reconfirm actually. Jadi dari Bu Wahyu's questions itu sebetulnya sudah memperbaiki beberapa, but then let me recheck it. Saya cek ulang dari awal ya Pak Agung ya. So could you please reread, dibaca lagi the second slide Bapak. Oh ya, oke. The second slide, could you please reread all of the things in the second slide? Di slide kedua tadi di atas, sorry. Page kedua. Iya, oke. So this one, Pak Agung, please.
Dibaca lagi Pak Agung yang ini, yang di slide ini materials need.
Materials needed. Need ya.
Materials need.
Needed. Car ready to use. Terus car key. Terus SIM or driving license.
Okay, so what is lisensi once again, Bapak?
Lisensi.
Lisensi, that's bahasa Indonesia. How to mention in English?
Izin, surat izin.
Ya, no. Penyebutan dalam bahasa Inggrisnya adalah?
Apa? Lisensi.
Oh, so it's a license. So it's a driving license. Okay, and then the next one? Yeah, it's a driving license. And then the next one, Bapak, for the STNK itu tadi?
Apa? Vehicle ya. Vehicle registration certificate.
Okay, so first of all, for the vehicle itu adalah tulisannya tidak seperti itu. There's a typo on that. Yes, it should be. Yang betul seperti apa, Bapak Ibu?
Vehicle registration certificate.
Penulisan vehicle itu seharusnya seperti apa? So we will start with the V. Kemudian
V-A-I-H-C-L-E.
Okay, V-E and then
H,
and then
I,
and then C, then L,
E.
and then E. So kurang E di situ dan penulisan H dan I itu terbalik. Oke, so it must to be vehicle. Ya, Pak Agung ya. So it's a vehicle registration certificate. Once again, please, Bapak.
Dibaca lagi, Pak Agung.
Vehicle.
Iya, one more time, please. Sekali lagi.
Vehicle.
Iya, disambungkan dengan dua kata belakangnya.
Vehicle registration certificate.
Oke, sudah betul, Bapak. Saya mau dari awal yang dari car ready to use sampai dengan STNK-nya, please.
Car ya. Car ready to use. Car driving apa tadi? Bukan. Apa?
License.
Driving license. Terus vehicle registration certificate.
Oke, diulang terakhir untuk SIM dan STNK saja, that's okay.
Driving license and vehicle registration certificate.
Okay, yes, that's okay. Thank you, Pak. Nah, actually, Pak Agung, sebetulnya all of the things is there, sudah complete. Pak Agung, you have the topic, and then materials juga sudah ada, and then you also using the connectors. Saat menjelaskan itu using connectors. But then it's terlalu banyak membaca, Pak Agungnya, and then you got a lot of text. terlalu banyak teks dalam PPT-nya atau PDF-nya ya Pak Agung ya. Because I said in the last meeting bahwa jangan terlalu banyak teks atau sentences begitu ya. Jadi fokuskan dalam menjelaskan step-stepnya saja karena untuk full text-nya itu akan ada di bentuk yang PDF atau Word, pengumpulan PDF atau Word itu tadi. Ya Pak Agung ya. Jadi mungkin ya you can improve it, nanti bisa ditingkatkan lagi insya Allah for the next project ya Pak Agung ya. Iya, thank you so much. Okay, so maybe is there any other questions Bapak Ibu yang lain mungkin? Monggo.
I have a question, Miss.
Oke, monggo Bapak.
Pak Agung, the
Ya,
car is cool. The car is cool. What brand is it? What brand is it? Car?
What is the
I
brand?
don't know. I don't know.
What brand is it?
Kira-kira
Mobilnya bagus. Apa mereknya?
kira-kira
Mobil
apa?
apa itu?
Iya, aku tanya. Apa kayak punya? Slide nomor 2 tadi.
Saya
Or
pengen
maybe
Tesla Pak Agung.
oh, amin ya Allah.
Amin ya Allah.
Amin. Okay, so Pak
Tapi
Agung has no idea ya,
Toyota.
juga kurang paham itu mereknya ya, brandnya. Or maybe Bapak Ibu yang lain mungkin ya bisa menebak. Actually, what is the brand ya? Dari yang ditampilkan Pak Agung tadi ya. I do I don't know as well ya. Saya juga kurang paham actually the brand itu apa kira-kira itu. Okay, or maybe we can search it on Google ya, langsung di what is that? Put the photo and then what actually the brand of this car? Nah, itu langsung muncul dan insya Allah. Okay, yes, Pak Nurali Hasan. Maybe any other questions, Bapak Ibu? Mungkin ada lagi pertanyaan tambahan? Enough?
Enough,
Okay, kalau
Miss.
begitu, thank you so much, Bapak Ibu, and then Pak Agung, thank you so much for the instructional presentations, and then now we will move to the last presenter ya, yaitu adalah Bu Nadila. Okay, so Bu Nadila, are you still here with us today, Bu Nadila? Atau Bu Nadila mungkin ada kegiatan yang lain?
I presenting, Miss.
Oh ya,
I
ya Bu Alma. Oke, yes.
Bu Nadila masih sakit, Miss.
Oh, geng.
Nggak apa-apa, Bu. Biar sekalian.
Suwita wes, Suwita wes.
will be the first
Iya, Pak Marilis dulu.
Nadila or me.
Pak
Oke.
Marilis.
Oh, Bu Amarilis. Langsung tegas.
I'm in the first.
Oke.
Thank you for the opportunities. Wait. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope you are happy and in healthy condition. Today I want to share how to make a pancake. But before I move, I want to ask you all, who hasn't made pancakes before? I think
Nih.
please tell me. Oh, Wahyu never made pancakes? Oh my God. I think you will make pancake after my presentation.
Before
Okay,
your
I think
presentation, I will make it. I made it.
Oh, wow.
Because I think everyone has made pancakes before. Because making pancake is very easy. I love to make pancakes for my breakfast. Sometimes I make banana pancakes too. Okay, let's move. And here I am. My name is Amarilis. And today, let's start to make the pancakes. We need some materials and ingredients to make a pancakes. What are they? The material, the first is cooker. Second, medium bowl. And then large bowl. Thank you. I'm sorry, there's something, a little trouble. And next, we need spoon, and the last one, non-sticky pan. Okay, everyone, we move to the ingredients. What kind of ingredients we need? The first is all-purpose flour, butter, egg, a cup of milk, and then sugar, salt, baking powder, and in addition, you can add honey, maple syrup, or fruits or whipped cream for the toppings. Okay. And now we will start to process the pancakes. The first of all, we need to prepare our large bowl to combine dry ingredients. Whisk together 4 ingredients: flour, sugar, salt, and baking soda. And then in another bowl, in medium bowl, we combine wet ingredients. What are they? 4 ingredients too. The first one is milk, egg, and then vanilla extract, and melted butter. After you mix them, we pour at the large bowl for mixing wet and dry ingredients. But please don't be overmix, everyone, because this can make your pancakes too. Okay? And the fourth step is heat a frying pan. I recommend to you all to using non-sticky pan and using medium heat so your pancakes not to be the color change to black. You know what I mean?
No.
Okay. And the next step is pour the butter on the pan, into the pan. I recommend to using spoon in here so the butter not too much. The next step is cook and flip the batter of pancake until the color changes to the golden brown and beautiful. And then we're ready to serve and repeat until the batter is habis. Itu apa, Miss? I'm sorry, habis. How do I say sampai adonannya habis?
Until.
Until
Ayo,
the
adonan
butter.
apa?
Butter.
Until the last. That's okay.
Until the last butter. Okay. So that's from me. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully can help you all to make a fluffy and a yummy pancake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Mama is very cheerful, yeah. When she present something in a very cheerful way. Okay, Bapak Ibu. Nah, so I will open the Q&A session, yeah. So if you have any questions, so please go ahead.
I miss.
Go ahead, Bu Wahyu.
Excuse me, Miss Ama. You mentioned before that in the material we used a sticky pen, but is the process is not use sticky pen, and your materials you cooker. What is cooker?
Cooker means comfort.
It's not stove.
It must be
It
stove.
also can be stove, but today I want to using cooker.
What difference of cooker and stove?
For the common use, actually we are using the stove, yeah. It's for the most common way.
The commonly biasanya stove ya, stove.
Oh,
agree with Bu Wahyu, stove.
oh,
Okay, I will change later.
and it earlier mentioned before
Yes.
that in the material we use sticky pen, but in
Okay,
your process,
I can tell you.
mhm, you
The picture is only for a sweetener.
no
Okay?
no.
So I tell you that
Maksud
I recommend
in
you to
the
use non-sticky pen. Okay?
okay, but
Thank
earlier
you.
you
Huh?
you mentioned that in the material we use a sticky pen. Apa saya yang salah
Non-sticky
dengar?
pen. Non-sticky pen.
Apa saya yang salah
Okay.
dengar? Soalnya di awal jenengan bilang kita harus menggunakan sticky pen. Terus habis itu di prosesnya saya
Non-sticky
dengar,
pen.
saya mendengar kok nggak pakai sticky pen sampai gosong ki maksudnya. I'm so sorry. Maaf kalau saya kurang itu. Apa itu namanya? Salah paham ya. Tapi
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It just because of the word non and without non. But I will make it clear. I recommend to you all using non-sticky pen. And this picture is only for sweetener, not for making your pancake, right? This is just a picture. But the right picture one is non-sticky pan like this. Where's the picture? Here they are. Non-sticky pan.
Oh, ditambahin not to
Clear,
ya. Karena aku salah
Wahyu?
paham.
It's okay. It's okay. I will make it clear.
Yes.
Okay, so actually the material that Bu Alma use is non-sticky pen ya. But then how about the picture? Is that in line? Apakah sudah sesuai? Apakah itu betul the non-sticky pen? Yes.
Actually, the picture is not correctly, not correct, because this is a big pen and sometimes using for making vegetable, I think, not using pancake. Prefer for cooking a big food, not making pancake.
Okay, so it's actually the problem is just only on the picture ya. Mungkin what you mean is different with the pictures that you got. Di pictures yang didapat berbeda dengan yang dimau mungkin. Okay, so first of all, Bu Alma, what's the meaning of non-sticky pen? Kira-kira what's the functions of that?
Non-sticky pen is the pen that wait, miss.
Non-sticky pen berarti kita artikan non-sticky berarti lengket. Kalau non maka tidak.
Bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa, Miss.
Oh, that's okay,
Yeah.
that's okay.
That's okay. So non-sticky pen is wajan yang tidak lengket.
Yes, that's the easiest way to say ya.
Non-sticky maybe.
Non-sticky pen. Adalah berarti once again one more time Bu Alma ada yang bertanya sepertinya. So what is sticky pen? One more
itu
time,
Pak
apa
Nur itu ya Pak Faisal ya.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
If anyone to ask me,
there is an inconsistency between the image and what was said, so I'm confused. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, so that's why yeah, because maybe Bu Alma didn't get the correct picture, so that's why Bapak Ibu yang lain mungkin being confused, akhirnya bingung. But then Bu Alma has clarified bahwa the pictures that she wants is the non-sticky pen picture, so because it's not in line, tidak sama, so that's why Bapak Ibu yang lain bingung-bingung. But that's the point ya Bapak Ibu ya, bahwa yang digunakan adalah the non-sticky pen. Okay, so that's the questions from Bu Wahyu. And then also, is there any questions dari Bapak Ibu yang lain mungkin mau menambahkan? To clarify juga boleh, disilahkan.
From me, Miss NG.
Okay. Go ahead, Bapak.
Please.
Okay, Miss Amma, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Alhamdulillah. How about you, Mister?
Alhamdulillah. Nice to meet you too. Thanks for coming in my house. with your husband and little girl.
Oh, wow, that's agenda ya. Oke, behind the scene-nya ada ternyata ya, mungkin mengunjungi ya. Oke,
Yeah,
silaturahmi.
MashaAllah, I
very
got a lot of things, beautiful
Oh,
things and beneficial things from Mr. Faisal after
wow. So
visit him.
it's just only for Bu Ama and also Bu Ama's husband or for Bapak Ibu yang lain as well juga? No, Bu Ama saja yang datang ke
1
rumahnya.
hour ago, I just visited Mr. Ali house, Mr. Ali Nur Ali's house,
Oh, wow. Ayo, ayo. Ini
and
Bapak Ibu
bringing
ditolak
pancake
semua.
and bringing pancakes.
Yes.
Oke, berarti
What
ini
do you
Bapak Ibu
think,
di
Mr.
Malang
Ali?
semua ya?
What's the feel? Do you feel the pancake is very nice?
Of course, I love pancake, Mr. Faisal, because
Bikin.
I
Mr. Ali,
make
Mr. Ali. Oh, Mr.
Oh,
Ali, itu
wow.
Mr. Ali.
Oh,
Mr.
what
Ali.
is that, Pak Ali? Apa itu, Pak Ali?
Pancake.
From me.
Oh, from Pak Faisal. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Iya, ya.
The topic is incidentally apa? Kok pas gitu? Bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Kok pas gitu?
Accidentally.
Accidentally suitable to the topic.
Oh, iya, iya. Adjustment penyesuaian with the topic as well.
Okay. My question is, why Malang people like pancake than other snacks, Miss Ama? And what is the progress or plan to sell pancake in apa? Yang luas itu apa? Luas itu, Bu. Wide selling.
White selling, what do you mean?
Dijual lebih luas lagi.
Komersial.
Komersial, yeah.
Komersial.
Yeah. Do you have a plan to make the pancakes become commercial business or something like that?
I think no, for commercial. It's just for my
Your daily
hobbies. My hobbies, right? Okay, I will answer this question, Miss. I think there is some reason why people love pancakes. The first one, pancakes is comfortable snack for people. Just because we can decorate the pancakes with anything we want, like honey. Sometimes if we have board, we can change with fruits, we can change with whipped cream, and sometimes we can also put ice cream on our pancakes, right? So it's comfort and easy to mix with another food. The second one, why people love pancakes? Because pancake is easy to make. We can make by ourselves in our home, and we don't need too much ingredients, too much materials. So this kind of cakes is easily to make in our home, homemade, homemade, right? And also the ingredient, it's cheap, not wait. Mahal.
Pricey.
What in English?
Expensive.
Right. Pricey. This ingredient, it's so cheap, not pricey things. And then the last reason why people love pancakes, it's because pancakes perfect for sharing with another. Pancakes are uh, wait. Perfect for sharing. So we can make some pancakes. Wait, miss. The time we need to make pancakes, it absolutely short time. We done it a long time for making pancakes. So from the short time, we can make so many pancakes and we share to the another. Then doesn't like making brownies or bolu. It needs some hour to make them. Okay, I think that's my
Maybe
answer
you mean
for this
you
question.
need more time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Mister?
Maybe you mean you need more time for making another cakes like that.
But
Yes.
the pancake is more delicious than but the brownies is more delicious than pancake, I mean.
Of course, the ingredients it's different and the
I love
taste and the
chocolate brownies.
different, right? I just make the high value from pancakes because this is my presentation title. So I will choose pancakes. If there are any opportunities to choose, maybe I think I will choose brownies too.
Chocolate brownies. Oh, chocolate.
Okay. Everyone has their preference ya, masing-masing beda for the preference. Yes. Okay, so from the Bu
Silakan
Almas,
masuk, Bu. Oke.
there are 5 things tadi ya related to the what is that?
Madunya
The
satu sama
we
diameter satu ya.
we can put a lot of variety of toppings ya.
Promil.
Kita
Madu
taruh
promil kita nggak ada, tapi kalau kita ada konsultasi tambahan
Pak
gratis
Faisal minta
untuk
tolong di-mute sebentar. Terima kasih.
I'm sorry, I'm still selling my sorry.
Yeah. Okay, good luck, Bapak. Yes. Okay, and then so because we can put a lot of kind of toppings, yeah, variety of topping, beberapa jenis topping, and then the second one tadi, the point is it's easy to make, so that's why, yeah, you choose the pancake, and then the third one, what is that, Bu Alma? It's cheaper, lebih murah, yes.
Cheaper and perfect for sharing before we don't need a long time for making pancakes.
Oh, okay. So to make pancake, it doesn't need a lot of time ya, berarti ya. To compare with apa? Kalau brownies, it's more longer, berarti ya. It's longer than
More
to make.
longer and more pricey.
It's longer berarti ya than make the pancake. Okay, so that's the point. Thank you so much, Bu Ama, for the answers, and thank you for Pak Faisal juga for the questions. Okay, so is there any other questions dari Bapak Ibu yang lain?
No, Miss.
Okay. Yes, it's enough ya berarti. So thank you so much Bu Ama for the what is that, for the instructional presentations, and then now I think enough ya, atau masih ada lagi satu mungkin yang tersisa ya?
Bu Nadila, Miss.
Bu Nadila dan Pak Faisal sebenarnya, Miss.
Oh, Bu Nadila dan Pak Faisal. Oh, oke, kalau begitu. But then actually we run out the time ya. Kita sudah kehabisan waktu sebetulnya. So therefore we will continue the instructional presentations next meeting, inshallah ya. Sebelum we move to the next kind of topic, sebelum kita bahas topik berikutnya. Well, actually, the next topic itu adalah related to the what is the product or service review paragraph. Maybe you got also that kind of topic in the SDA or SFI. Sebetulnya sudah dapat ya Bapak Ibu ya di SDA dan SFI ya.
Yes,
Untuk topik reviewnya itu, review produk atau service. Ya. That's the thing that we also have in the integrated. Kita juga punya di integrated, but then that's for the next meeting, untuk next meeting. Kalau begitu, I will rethink again, akan saya pikirkan lagi ya, agar sedikit berbeda. So, Bapak Ibu, before we jump to the next topic itu tadi, so could you please share to me yang didapat di SDA dan SFI itu pembelajarannya seperti apa? Could you please share it to me? Mungkin perwakilan saja, that's okay.
Maksudnya ini apa yang kita dapat di SDA, SFI sama integrated or
yang Bapak Ibu dapat terkait dengan topik review produk atau service itu di skills yang SDA atau SFI atau SFI Bapak Ibu? SFI ya, if I'm not
S
mistaken kalau saya tidak salah.
SFI. But we
both.
sebenarnya
Ya,
SFI, Miss. Cuman kemarin kita practicing-nya using SDA. Practicing.
Oh, no.
Oh,
In the
okay.
in
Okay, so the things that
course
you got
line,
tadi.
in course line is product knowledge ya. Product knowledge itu dia ada di SFI. Yes,
Okay.
SFI.
And then,
But
and
is
so
them daily basic SDA? Yes. SFI? Yes. In SDA daily basic of recommending and SFI product knowledge maybe.
Oke. Produk reviewnya lokasinya di SFI ya, berarti Bapak Ibu ya?
Keduanya Miss karena
Yes.
apa itu materinya hampir sama kemarin. Jadi apa itu mempresentasikan produk jadi ada di dua-duanya. Mungkin sedikit
Oke.
berbeda nanti karena untuk pertemuan yang akan datang di hari ini akan dijelaskan lebih lanjut.
Oke, ya. Oke, berarti belum sampai ke what is that? Do the product review itu masih belum sampai di situ ya berarti Bapak Ibu.
Masih pembukaan seperti
Produk reviewnya memang belum berarti ya.
So kita
Kayaknya nanti
doing that
product
means
review recommended
kita doing
nanti
that.
kayaknya.
Oh, kita
We
merem.
practice. Iya,
Iya,
Bu
iya,
Dewi
akan.
Giving
promosi
recommendation,
produk.
product review itu nanti kayaknya.
Iya.
Oke, nah itu dia. So we also got that kind of topic in the integrated, tapi makanya itu harus saya cari pembeda ya biar tidak terlalu sama. But then that's okay. I will ask to the what is that to the Miss Ayu saja berarti ya untuk saya koordinasikan lebih lanjut. That's okay. So Pak Faisal and also iya Bapak, monggo.
Sama, tidak apa-apa. Ini kan mirip-mirip juga materi hari ini dari Miss Nur Jalia sama Miss Ayu. Sebetulnya mirip-mirip. Tapi ya cocok sebetulnya itu. Pas jadi saling misalnya hanya beda passionnya aja kayaknya.
Iya, iya, iya. Iya, Bapak. Memang dia sedikit beririsan ya sebetulnya, but that's okay ya. Kita berulang tidak masalah ya Bapak Ibu semua ya.
Tidak
There's no
apa-apa.
problem.
Lebih banyak latihan lebih bagus.
Iya, biar lebih matang juga.
Make the flow strong.
Oke.
Oh, oke. Oh, sepertinya my connection is unstable. Oke, so kalau begitu we will continue our year presentations Bapak Ibu related to the instructional paragraph ini next meeting untuk Pak Faisal dan juga Bu Nadila ya. Bapak Ibu nanti mohon bantuan ya untuk next meeting agar nanti Pak Faisal kemudian Bu Nadila juga sudah siap ya biar kita selesai dengan materi ini atau project ini. Oke, so Bapak Ibu, I think that's all for today ya. Nilainya sudah ada di saya untuk final projectnya. Thank you so much. But then before we end our sessions today, maybe you have some questions atau you need some clarifications. Juga monggo saya persilakan sebelum saya tutup, oke? Tidak ada?
Tidak ada.
Oke, kalau begitu Bapak Ibu, thank you so much ya untuk kamu di kelas. Pak Faisal, nanti monggo bisa berdiskusi dengan Bapak Ibu yang lain ya terkait dengan mungkin tugas dan lain sebagainya itu bisa ditanyakan juga. Ke saya pun juga tidak masalah. Oke. Siap, terima kasih Bapak Ibu. Saya tutup nggih. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much, Miss.
Mohon
See
maaf,
you.
saya baru keingetan mau tanya. Ini jadi kita masih ada pertemuan ya tentang apa itu kalau nggak salah kalau di course outline-nya itu tentang komplain ya.
Tentang
review paragraph, yes.
That's for the next meeting berarti ya Ibu ya.
Oh, bukan product service review paragraph ya?
Nah, that's
ya?
also that's all we will discuss about it first. Jadi setelah yang instructional ini, maka kita move ke product review service paragraph tadi yang saya sudah tanyakan dan diskusikan dengan Bapak Ibu semua. Kemudian baru setelah itu kita lanjutkan lagi dengan topik berikutnya sesuai dengan course outline.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oke, Bapak Ibu, monggo beristirahat dan continue with the next subject nanti ya, Bapak Ibu. Oke, so let me end up the meeting. Yes. Thank you so much, Bapak Ibu. Bye-bye.